Hello friends, we at WILS Migration team in Australia wish you a very lovely Valentine's Day. Let's begin the quiz questions of today. As for the requirement of partner visa, the main prerequisite is the sponsorship from an Australian permanent resident or citizen or an eligible New Zealand citizen. Then the other key element is that to understand how many ways we have to call a partner to Australia. Number 1 is subclass 820-801, where the applicant and the sponsor are in Australia and they apply in Australia and get married before the application. The other way is subclass 309-100, where the applicant is offshore, that is not in Australia, and they get married offshore while they can apply for this visa. And the third thing is a prospective marriage visa, where the couple should have met physically in or outside Australia, and then this visa can be given to call the partner to visit Australia and then get married within 1 year of granting this visa. The other question is there an interview in case of a partner visa application? That's a very nice question. It solely depends on the discretion of the case officer. In some cases, when the case officer is not convinced of a genuine relationship between the applicant and the sponsor, they do conduct an interview. It can be a telephonic interview, or you can be asked to visit the embassy of that country. The other thing is, if the application is not properly presented, like the documents are not properly given and there is some discrepancy in the data of the information given in the application, then the case officer definitely will ask for an interview. Also, in case of a gap of age between the couple, a massive gap, in that case also they can look for an interview. And the other factor is any case of family dispute or domestic violence. If the immigration officer comes to know that something has been recorded, then there can be an interview. So you should always be careful when you apply for a partner visa, because it's a very expensive visa and one chance is only given to the applicant, and if it is not properly presented, then the chances of refusal are very high. So we always recommend you always go to a registered migration agent who knows how to fill all the criteria of the department and can help you to present a strong case which can give you a fruitful outcome. The next question is, how long can a partner visa applicant stay in Australia once we apply the application in Australia? See, when we apply an application onshore, that is the applicant is in Australia, then the applicant gets a bridging visa A, under which the applicant will get the rights of Medicare from Australia. They will have the working rights, and they will also get a bridging visa which will allow them to stay till the time the decision is made by the case officer. So if the case is not properly presented, then there can be a problem. And so as partner visa applications are very expensive, about $8,200 Australian dollars as per today. So you should be very careful when you apply for a partner visa, and always use a registered migration agent to help you out for a positive outcome. The next question is, can we bring an unmarried partner to Australia on a partner visa? The answer is yes. It is called as a prospective marriage visa and it is not called as a partner visa. But the irony is, we have to pay 8,200 Australian dollars at the time of application. This is a prospective marriage visa in which the applicant gets the right to visit Australia, but they have to get married within 1 year of the grant of that visa. And then they will apply for the other option of the permanent visa, that is the partner visa. So prospective marriage visas require a few things, like you must have previously met and you are in touch with each other. So we have to suffice a lot of needs and fulfill the criteria before you get this thing. So to use a registered migration agent is the best way to get a positive outcome. You have a great day and enjoy your time with your Valentine. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you. Bye.